Hi guys, today we talk about how can you find your recipes on your BodyFast app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do to find your receipts or your receipts, just go down. You click here in this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. In here you go down, can you select here receipt categories in this list. So I'm going to click here on snacks here for example. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then here you will find all categories here and snacks like you see. So that's all you have to do to find here your receipts app. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.